Thinking about moving on from Cognizant, this guide simplifies the resignation process, helping you leave gracefully. Start by crafting a formal resignation letter. Keep it concise and professional. Clearly state your intent to leave, your name, employee ID, job title, and your last day. Considering your contract's notice period, express gratitude for your time at Cognizant. Next, navigate your company's HR portal or employee self-service platform. Look for resignation forms or procedures. Will likely need to submit your letter through it. Familiarize yourself with Cognizant's specific online process. After submitting the letter, you should receive confirmation. Save this email. Expect communication from HR or your manager about next steps, including your exit interview. Prepare for an exit interview. Use this opportunity to provide constructive feedback and express your reasons for leaving. Complete any final tasks, such as returning company assets and finalizing your pay and benefits. Finally, handle remaining tasks, return company property, transfer project documents, and say your professional goodbyes. Refer to your employment contract for specific policies to ensure a smooth departure.